some of the main drivers of the EDDY that were developed at the onset of the project include transparency. That's a big one, just related to the building site on which it was placed, the connection indoors and outdoors for the users, for the students, for the educators. Another big concept was a Whirlpool brand. This is distinctly a corporate child development center. So it was important to Whirlpool that their brand be communicated figuratively, not literally. And that was a challenge for us to make sure that that was done in a responsible way that was appropriate for kiddos. So the AIA framework for design excellence, it's really embodied just through the approach and the multifaceted nature of the client and the different influences. So the framework was made up of a series of idealistic and pragmatic objectives. So being responsible stewards of our environment, through the siting of the building, through the honoring of the existing vegetation, through efficient stormwater control on the site, creating accessibility. That was a big one for both within the campus and within the center itself. So accessibility for children is viewed very differently as accessibility for educators and parents, and this solved both. And then just environmental control and comfort was a big one. So obviously between infants and toddlers, the environmental comfort and the needs are very different for these groups. So each classroom has their own controllability, controlled daylighting, LED lighting, efficient use of materials, high recycled content, yet durable materials. We focused on those. I'm most proud of the way that this solved for, again, the different challenges that the users brought. I think it's playful, it's fun, it's highly tactile. It's a place that as a parent, you would just want to explore and be in. But it's also distinctly corporate. It's respectful of its environment. It tends toward some of the architecture that you'll find around the Whirlpool campus. So I think the blending and the solving for the different user groups and client groups was the thing that was the most rewarding to me.